Hey everybody, this is Miss Bree. I am the dance teacher here at the Boys and Girls Club, and today we are going to learn salsa. So, the reason why I'm making this video is so that you can have the moves in your head a little bit before we do my class, because I know the last time I was kind of freezing up. So if I freeze up again, you could always come back to this video and look at it and you'll know the steps. Or if you get confused, you will have the breakdown and everything. Or if you just want to hear and learn the choreography again, you can. So let's get started. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna start with your right foot. You're gonna take your right foot and step it forward. When you step it forward, you're gonna step your left back. And then you're gonna step your right to the middle. After you do that, then you're gonna take your left foot, step it back, take your right foot, step it, and then step your left foot back in the middle. So let's do that again. So right forward, step with your left, back to the middle. Left back, step with your right to the middle. Right forward, step with your left to the middle. Left back, step with your right to the middle. So now when you do it to your salsa beat, it should look like this. Right, left, back, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right. So after we do that, then we're gonna go to the side. So now when you go to the side, you're gonna step with your right, then step with your left again, and then bring it back to the middle. Then you're gonna do the same thing on the left side. You're gonna step with your left, then your right, then step back. So left, right, left, middle, left, right, middle, right, left, middle, left, right, middle. So now when you go to the side, you want to swerve your arms like this. So when you do the movement, it should look like this. Right, left, middle, left, right, middle, right, left, middle, left, right, middle, right, then your left, then your right, then your left, then your right, then your left. So let's put those two movements together. So your first step is gonna be right, left, middle, left, right, middle, right, left, middle, left, right, middle, right, left, middle. I think I mixed that up. But yeah, let's start over. Sorry, guys. Okay, so right, left, middle, left, right, middle, right, left, middle, left, right, middle, to the side, right, left, middle, left, right, middle, right, left, middle, left, right, middle. So now after that, after the left, right, middle, you're going to do your 3-point turn. So a 3-point turn is when you take 3 steps while you're turning. So you're gonna take your right foot and you're gonna step. Then you're gonna take your left foot, then you're gonna come around, turn to the back. Then take your right foot, come around, and then you're gonna reach the front. So again, step with your right, carry over your left, bring your right back over, just like that. Again, step with your right, carry over your left, bring your right back over. So now when you do it fast, it should look like this. 1, 2, 3. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Spin again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's do it again. All right, 5, 6, 7, 8 from the top. Right, left, back, left, right, back. Right, left, back, left, right, back. To the side, to the side, to the side, to the side. And 1, 2, 3. So from the side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. So this is a pause. So make sure you step, then 1, 2, 3. Okay. So after you do the 1, 2, 3, you're gonna do the same thing on the left side. So you're gonna step your left foot forward, right, then step it back to the middle. Then you're gonna step your right foot back, step your left foot, then bring your right foot back to the middle. Again, step your left foot, step your left foot to the front, then your right foot, then your left foot back to the middle, then your right foot in the back, then your left foot, then your right foot in the middle. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Left, right, left, right. After you do that, then you're gonna go to the side again. So you're gonna go to the left again. So to the left, right, right, left to the middle. And the left, right, and the middle. To the right, to the left, to the middle. So it should look like this. Left, right, middle, right, left, middle, and the left, right, middle, and the right, left, middle. Then you're gonna do your 3-point turn to the left. So step with your left, carry over your right, then turn back with your left. Again, step with your left, carry over your right, then come back with your left again. Again, a little bit faster. Step with your left, carry over your right, then back to your left. Okay, faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Okay, so now after that, so we're here. No, we're not gonna do the same thing. Now we're gonna jump. So we're going hop, down, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we're gonna repeat the whole routine again. Okay? So from the top, it should look like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Side, 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn, 1, 2, 3. To the left, back, left, back to the side, to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right, then turn, 1, 2, 3, then jump, down, jump, down, jump, down, jump, down. I think I did that right. Okay, so let's try it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, left, side, right, left, spin, 1, 2, 3, to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left side, to the right side. Hey, to the left side, to the right side. Hey! I'm recording, cut it out. Cut it out. Sorry guys, let's start over. Leave the bird alone. Sorry. No. Sit. Sorry. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, left, side, 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 side. Spin. 1, 2, 3. To the left, to the right, to the left, to the right, and side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and turn. 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, left. Side, right, left, right, left. Spin. 1, 2, 3. Then left, right, left, right, left. Side, right, side, left, side, right, side, then spin. Then woof, woof, drop, woof, drop, woof, drop. Then right, left, right, left. To the side, right, left, right, left. Spin. 1, 2, 3. To the left, to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left side, to the right side, to the left side, to the right side. Spin. 1, 2, 3. Then woof, drop, woof, drop, woof, drop, woof, drop. And that's it.